All right, guys, today is the day we are putting the built KA in the Honda officially, and hopefully it stays there. I've put a KA in and out of this chassis probably 1.5 million times during the whole fabrication process, and I really don't want to do it again. We have our beautiful motor, we now have a clean trans, and to tie it all together, we have our new beautiful clutch kit. All right, so check this unit out. We have a full Action Stage 3 clutch kit right here. So to start off, we have Action's lightweight flywheel, and this thing is beautiful. Check it out, man.
Wow.
All right, that's a unit. What I've seen a lot on the KA lightweight flywheels is they're never beefened up enough on the gears right here. So I've seen a lot of them shear from the starter, which is crazy. And this thing I can already tell is way beefier than anything I've ever seen. So I have a good feeling about this one. So this thing's gonna feel amazing on the engine. Then we have this beautiful Stage 3 clutch disc right here. And of course, the supporting pressure plate. It's the best color ever, red. Got some solid rivets on it, so a really thick surface, and honestly, it just looks like a really nice unit. It looks like it's quality materials. I really like how they encase their springs too, so that's a cool little touch. And of course, it's SFI approved, so we know we got a quality unit right here. On top of that, it comes with a really nice quality throw-up bearing right here. Made in Japan, so you guys know, motherland right here. And of course the pilot bearing to match and the tool to seat it all. So I'm so pumped to have this kit on the car. It is a beautiful piece. It's gonna feel so good on the engine. Now this year I'm actually kind of working with Action Clutch. I'm super excited about it. So I asked them to extend my discount onto you guys, and they gave me 20% off to give to you guys, which
40%.
is it's crazy. That's a big discount. So if you guys are procrastinating or want a new clutch or whatever, check it out now. Use discount code JimmyO. Get ahead for the season. I know it's been kind of crazy, this whole thing going on, but get ahead of the curve, because once we're back out, you're going to be mad that you didn't just order an Action Clutch. So let me shut up and let's get this thing on the motor. So the first thing we got to do, of course, we've got to change the rear main seal, because you should always change this. It's cheap enough. It's worth it. Just do it. All right, here we go. Hey. This one's not bad, but like I said, dude, I've never seen a rear main more than like $15. And if you have to change this, it sucks. OEM one, can't beat it, NissanParts.cc, check it out. Alright.
Is this the industry standard?
Oh, 100%. I always forget this. This is the first time I'm not forgetting it. There we go. Snug fit, I love that. Oh, that looks great. Alright, I got the Loctite, got the lube.
Let's torque this thing up.
Degrease the surface. This is such a slept-on feature, but the fact that it says flywheel sign is so nice, because I can tell you what, I've had some trainings where I'm just like,
which way does this clutch go away?
Well, the first time I did the E36 clutch, I put it in backwards.
Backwards, yeah.
Let's take this.
Shout out to Action.
There we go. Oh, what a combo right there. Quick little degrease. All right, take old red right here. Ooh, line up the pins.
Yeah.
As you tighten this up, it's gonna compress itself, so you gotta make sure you like kind of walk it around evenly. You also wanna make sure this stays free, because sometimes when you put it on, the clutch will droop a little bit and it won't line up, so just give it a couple checks to make sure everything still lines up nicely. Here we go, boys. And then the victory pull. Nice. Clutch is on, and now we can take this thing off and replace the throw. Oh my God, listen to that. Throw it out! There we go. All right, we're almost there. We're almost there. So inside of here, we're gonna grease up, because this thing just kind of slides inside the transmission freely. So metal on metal, you gotta put some lube in there.
You're being generous, huh?
You're getting me all bubbled up over here.
Is this what gets you going, RJ?
Hell yeah.
Weirdo. There we go.
That's it?
That's it. Check it out. So trans is all set, clutch is all set. Let's bring them, let's bring them together. Oh, I don't think I've ever had a tranny go on so smoothly. Boom. Yes! It's a great sight. Makes me so excited. Hey, by the way, I got so many comments saying we should have painted the transmission. I hate painted transmissions. They end up looking like trash after you paint them. They look great for a couple hours and they all scratched up and it just doesn't look good. So cleanish aluminum, I'll take it. You don't even see it. Well, maybe I should have painted the starter. Cool. All right, it is together. The trans's on the engine, everything's sealed up. We're ready to go. It is officially ready to finally drop in the car. This is a big moment. It's been a big build up to this. I'm so freaking excited. Of course, you've got to come here because you're always here for engine drops in. Let's go. It just happens that way. It's a
I
ritual
hope we
at this
don't
point.
scratch anything.
Yeah, everyone, we have 6 people on deck, literally just to make sure we don't scratch anything. So everyone tuck your belt buckles. I don't want to see any scratches on this thing, right?
Joke's on you, I'm not wearing one.
All right.
Hopefully this is the last time this thing goes fucking in.
Swing that John over here.
This hoist is kind of a pain in the ass, so.
It looks like it.
So it's a tight fit between the subframe and the firewall. Every time we put a mock-up engine in, it was always hitting the firewall, so we gotta be really careful this time. The rack is out for that reason.
Yeah. All right, here we go. All right,
Oh my God.
I'm gonna jack in low. I feel it right now.
Yeah, Drew?
Look at me, Brian. Look at me and tell me if I got it. All right, then get it. Listen, just all right, we're going up.
No, we're going down.
Up.
Nice and slow. Yeah, Tucker, you tell him.
Nice hands, Jimmy. Nice hands. Oh boy. A little bit more.
Terrifying.
Sacrifice your fingers.
We're still going down.
Yep, you guys are doing great.
Oil pan? Oil pan, yeah.
Stop.
That's about, yeah, he's right on Josh's hand.
You guys are doing great. Really proud of all of you. Yep, just keep coming down slow. Drew's got the right pace. Take that inch, get as close to the subframe as physically possible. If the rack was in, we'd be sit on the firewall.
Yeah,
so
right.
we gotta pull the rack if we ever want to pull the engine.
That's it, right there. That's it.
I'm really close.
Back more.
Josh, do not fart. I'll be in big trouble.
There we go.
Hey, where's Jimmy?
I think that might be him right there.
Hey, what are you doing?
Just trying to mount this thing up.
Man, go peep the link in the bio. www.youngtuck.com. Y'all know the fucking vibes. Go cop some fire merch. We got it all. Socks, windbreakers. We don't got hats yet, but soon. Look at this guy. Where's some Trump checks? Come spend them. www.youngtuck.com.
He's such a good boy.
Go get him.
Get his ass.
All right, so the mount kicked my ass a little bit, but is officially bolted in. It is all tight and everything, all ready to go. So B, do the honors. Pull the crane out. Well, okay, I'll help. You pull the crane out. I'll hold this. Boom, there we go, guys. The built motor is officially in the Sonda, and it's pretty awesome seeing all the silver, I guess, with thread.
Man, you know what's funny? I didn't even think of the silver when we were like deciding. I was just like Nismo.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it looks so good.
It looks a little too good. It's kind of freaking me out. So the valve cover, we're not keeping it this. This is just like the placement one. It's still at powder coat, so let's neglect that. We have a really cool one coming. So
Yeah, that's gonna change. But man, dude, you said it the other day. This thing looks like a hot. It looks like a freaking '57 Chevy right now. Like
look at my small block right here. But yeah, so we did pretty good. This is surprisingly a really tight fit. I guess I don't know if that's surprising or not, but it's a tight fit. So that was scary putting it in. The only thing we did scratch was the firewall, but it's just on the seam sealer just a little bit, and we'll touch it up and you'll never see it.
That's not even a scratch. That's a rub.
It's a rub. But we got it situated nicely, so we have plenty of room between the firewall and the head. Probably more than a factory BMW, so I'm pretty stoked about that.
Dude, it's looking so awesome.
I just can't wait to see what the new valve cover on.
Oh my gosh. The intercooler, and all the piping, the radiator.
Dude, it looks so good. This looks so weird, but so good.
Scratch it off. Go drive that thing off track, get it all dusty.
I can't wait to. So we're gonna take a lot of pictures once it's done, so we can see it real nice. But we are not gonna treat this car.
Thrash car, yeah!
We built this car to drive it. We didn't build this car to look at it.
Oh, I forgot. Every comment for the last like 2 weeks has been, you better not tandem this when you're done.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Hey, I'll make sure no one's randomly tandeming on me this time, all right? That one wasn't my fault.
I'm pretty sure everyone else is gonna make sure too.
Yeah, literally. Oh, this looks so good. All right. Shit. Well, I'm dying to throw some more accessories in the engine bay because I really want to see it a little more complete, but I'm going to save that for later on. But what I do want to see before we go, how the tranny actually fits in the trans tunnel, because we technically never saw it in the trans tunnel. We just measured the width and the height. Right, B? We never saw it in there.
The transmission's never been back in since the front half of the tunnel's been on.
Yeah, exactly. So, hopefully it fits good. Let's check it out. So, front, oh wow, okay, this fits. This fits so good. Look at that. That's definitely the tightest point right there, but hey, I could live with that. Dude, that looks so normal. That's so freaking cool. Look how, look how normal this looks. It's freaky.
Perfect. Here, I love it.
Dude, this is a Honda Civic. It's actually, yeah, it's a great fit. Damn. We're so good.
I love this. It's beautiful.
Luckily, KAs have tiny transmissions. That's a huge plus.
Yeah, that was part of the reason of picking it, right?
Yeah, like a CD would not fit in this thing.
The whole package is just, it's pretty good. It's nice, small,
Fits great.
compact.
That is just way too good. Well, that worked out. That worked out real well, and it looks like we're lucky enough that we might be able to actually pull the trans in the car, no issue. So that is huge, because it would suck to have to pull the whole engine out, just do a clutch, but we got plenty of room up there, so real good news. But there it is, guys. But my ass is beat, so I'm going home. Remember, guys, go save yourself some money and grab yourself an awesome clutch kit. Discount code JimmyO, Action Clutch, link in description. Check it out. But you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and well, we'll see you tomorrow.